The BYD Titanium 3 stands as a striking example of how modern automotive engineering can merge power, elegance, and technology into one exceptional SUV. From the very first glance, it captivates with a bold and muscular exterior design that blends rugged durability with refined aesthetics. The metallic white body, contrasted with sleek black accents, communicates a sense of strength and sophistication. The sharp LED headlights and intricately sculpted body lines give it an aggressive yet polished appearance, while the black alloy wheels and elevated stance enhance its commanding road presence. This SUV doesn't just sit quietly in a parking lot, it makes a statement before it even starts moving. Step inside, and the Titanium 3 reveals a world of comfort and advanced features tailored for the modern driver. The interior has been carefully designed to balance luxury with practicality. Premium black leather seats with fine white stitching offer both durability and comfort for long drives, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that serves as the hub for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Every control is placed with precision, ensuring the driver can focus on the road while easily managing all the car's features. The steering wheel feels substantial and responsive, offering controls for audio, phone calls, and adaptive cruise functions right at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster provides a customizable display of vital driving information, from speed and range to advanced safety alerts. Ambient LED lighting adds a touch of elegance, especially during night drives, subtly illuminating the cabin without causing distractions. Storage spaces have been thoughtfully integrated throughout, offering convenience for passengers while keeping the cabin uncluttered. Performance-wise, the BYD Titanium 3 delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Whether navigating city streets or taking on rugged countryside roads, it responds with agility and confidence. Its advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and irregularities with ease, while the precise steering offers great control even during sharp turns. Depending on the model variant, it can be equipped with either an efficient electric powertrain or a robust hybrid system, both designed to deliver impressive range and low emissions. The acceleration is quick, and the transition between speeds is seamless, making the drive both exciting and comfortable. Safety has been placed at the forefront of the Titanium 3's design. It comes equipped with a full suite of driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and an intelligent braking system that can react instantly to sudden obstacles. The high-strength body frame and strategically placed airbags provide reassurance that passengers are well protected in all driving conditions. In terms of practicality, the Titanium 3 excels with generous cargo space and flexible seating arrangements. The rear seats can be folded flat to create a large loading area, making it ideal for family trips, sports gear, or outdoor adventures. USB charging ports, cup holders, and climate controls are available for rear passengers, ensuring everyone enjoys the journey. Ultimately, the BYD Titanium 3 is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a lifestyle choice for those who demand modern technology, stylish design, and dependable performance in one package. Whether you are commuting through busy urban streets, exploring scenic highways, or venturing off-road, this SUV adapts to every scenario with confidence. It represents the new era of driving, where sustainability meets strength, and where every journey feels like an experience worth remembering.